Well, hello there and welcome to this video. As you know, my name is Mark Miles and I absolutely love helping presenters and trainers and influence makers take their presenting game to the next level. So today's topic is how to use videos and use them in your training sessions, but use them effectively. And the key word there is effectively, because often what we see in the training world is so many people going to video or going to YouTube and often playing them without a purpose and playing them haphazardly or randomly and hoping for a great result in terms of a learning outcome, so to speak. And in today's video, I want to share with you, let's actually break down what are the types of videos that you can actually use in a training room and how do you use them to the best possible way that you can. So the first thing that we need to be aware of is the types of videos that there are actually out there. Or so let me rephrase it. It's not necessarily the types of videos, it's more the purpose or the strategy that we would assign to the video that we are playing. Okay, so grab a pen, get ready to write these down. So I generally find that there's four types of videos that we would show. There's four types of videos, or there's four videos, and we could then define what type or category they would fall into. So the first video that I wanted to share with you is the how-to video. The how-to video. The how-to video. So essentially, you're going to show your class, your seminar, whatever it might be, a video of how to do something, right? Literally people doing it effectively and doing it the right way. So it's a how-to video. And they're wonderful, they're fantastic. They're going to show the audience how to do something, which is great. Okay. Now, the second type of video that we've got, or the category that I've kind of created, is the fault finding video. The fault finding video. I'll say it again, the fault finding video. Now, essentially, the fault finding video is a video of watching someone do it the wrong way, watching someone do it with lots of mistakes in it. Okay, now fault finding video is a great video to show because it brings to mind all the things that people shouldn't be doing or unconsciously they themselves in the audience might be doing but don't want to admit it. Okay, and a great example of that is excuse me, if you can remember the scene in Ferris Bueller's Day Off, the famous scene where he says, anyone, and he's teaching the world's most boring economics class, right? And that is an example of a fault finding video. We can show that video and we can use that to show what not to do. And there's many videos, there's thousands of videos out there of people doing things the wrong way. Okay. Next up, a video that we've got there is comedy. All right. A comedy video. Okay. A comedy video. Now, a comedy video would be something that would be fun, quirky, that would lead into the topic and is still going to bring up some different ideas, but it's going to get people in a happy, fun mood as they go into the topic. Okay. Now, the last video that I kind of, the category I've created is an inspirational video or an inspirational type, like a slight twist on a topic or whatever it might be. So just to recap the types of videos that we've got, number one, a how-to video. Number two, fault-finding video. Three, comedy. And last of all, inspirational video. Now, all of these videos have a purpose, have a point. We don't just whack a video up for no reason, okay? So the first one, a how-to video, is a video that we would show on how to do something and an example of what a great job looks like. So it's really important whenever we show a video that we pre-frame it and we debrief it, okay? We pre-frame it and we debrief it. So what does that look like? It looks like this. I'm now going to show you a video. And when I show it to you, I want you to watch, and I want you to watch for three critical things. And I want you to notice, what does this person or this animal or whatever it might be do exceptionally well, and write down those three things as you are watching the video. Play the video. Then afterwards, have a chat and with your with the group, dissect it, debrief it, and actually ask the audience, what did you see that was done well? What could have been done differently? What was the context? And get people to excavate information from what they actually noticed and observed. Second video that we talked about is a fault finding video. And same deal, it's the pre-frame and the debriefs that make all the difference. All right, so I'm now going to show you a video. I'm going to show you a video of someone doing something not so well. I want you to watch, and I'd like you to find 3 things or 6 things that this person is doing not so well, and then we're going to have a chat about it. Okay, so it's showing a video with a purpose. Then afterwards, you can even say, all right, I want you to imagine you're sitting down with that person, having a conversation and giving them some feedback on how they could have done it even better. Okay, but the varieties of activities that you do before and after activities, are endless, but it's so important that you pre-frame and you debrief. Third video is a comedy video. This is really important, again, that you pre-frame and debrief. So, hi everyone, I'm now going to play a video. It's a little bit quirky, it's a little bit funny, and it's a little bit of a twist on the topic that we're about to go into. I'm going to play it, have a laugh, and let's see what we can learn from it. At the end, go, all right, great. And what was the comical parts in the video? Okay, so it's really important, though, with comedy videos that you do set it up and say to people that it's a comical twist on the topic, and you may or may not like how they present it, but just have a laugh and just go in and just enjoy the video. Okay, you've got to set that up, otherwise people could go, why are we watching this? They could say, what's this got to do with the topic? They could say, this is a bit of a waste of time. Or they could even say, I didn't really find that funny. And you could get some negative reactions as well. So you've got to pre-frame that really carefully. And the last one that we've got is the inspirational video. Okay, now an inspirational video is something that you can play at the very beginning of your session to really inspire people, inspire change. Maybe it's got some great music behind it, maybe it's going to set the room tone, maybe it's going to get people excited to learn. And it could be about people, it could be a mini documentary, or it could be anything at all that is really going to inspire new thoughts and new curiosity. At the end of the day, you could certainly play a video to close off the session. Again, an inspirational video, maybe it's got some great music behind it as well. Okay. Fundamentally, the biggest thing I want you to take away from this video is, if you are going to show a video, ask yourself, why am I showing this video? For what purpose? Is it going to be a how-to video? Is it going to be a fault-finding video? Is it going to be a comical video? Is it going to be an inspirational video? And also, as you are planning what video to show, also keep in mind what emotional reactions could come from the video, because it's really important that you air that at the very beginning and say, I'm now going to show you a video as you see it. Some people say that they sometimes feel this or they feel that. The key reason I'm showing you this video is X, okay? Because many times I've seen trainers actually show a video and they have had a very, how do I put it, not so favorable reaction from the audience. And that happened because the video wasn't effectively pre-framed in the beginning. Okay, now YouTube definitely have great videos, Vimeo have great videos, there's endless videos out there. But if you are going to show a video in a training session or a learning environment, make sure you define, why am I showing it? What's the key learnings that I want from people to get out of it? And ultimately, what's my pre-frame and what's my debrief? The pre-frame and the debrief are critical. Okay, so hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully you got something out of it, and highly recommend that you start to get strategic around your video usage. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.